Does Numpy.Random.Seed make results fixed on different computers? I know that when you use Numpy.Random.Seed 0, you get the same result on your own computer every time. I am wondering if it is also true for different computers and different installations of Numpy.
It all depends upon type of algorithm implemented internally by Numpy.Random function. In case of Numpy, which is operated by pseudo-random number generators, PRNGS, algorithm. What this means is that if you provide the same seed as of starting input, you will get the same output. And if you change the seed, you will get a different output. So this kind of algorithm is no system dependent. But for a true random number generator, TRNG, these often rely on some kind of specialized hardware that does some physical measurement of something unpredictable in the environment such as light or temperature, electrical noise, radioactive material. So if a module implements his kind of algorithm, then it will be system dependent.
This is support the channel.